Hello everyone, today we are at Intralogistics and Warehouse Expo 2025 in Bangalore, where the theme is Future is Here.
It is one of the leading exhibition on material handling, logistics, warehouse automation in South India, and show went amazingly well, and exhibitors are pretty happy.
Future is really here and it's moving so fast. I can see from the past 15-20 years the improvement in this logistics industry. So a lot of new products are there and a lot of very good stalls are there. So it was very nice feeling to visit this, and I was very happy visiting this and wishing the best for all the products and all the stalls there.
We have experienced a 3 days exhibition in Bangalore. Now the Expo doing good. We have good numbers of inquiries from the visitors.